I worked more on that script than I did on most school projects. And it was scary. I woke up on some days, I was like, man, I sort of didn't want to do it because I was so scared. But like there were things in the live drama I didn't know how to do. I had to be drunk. I've never been drunk before. I don't drink. Pero I learned from the older housemates. So and especially to work side by side with the fellow housemates, it's easier than working with people you don't know, because we all gel together really quickly, have good chemistry, and especially one of the best things working with the Glory is she got us to do things that I personally never thought I could do. Sa audition,
gagawin ko, makamit ko na yung pangarap ko at may pakita sa buong mundo kung ano yung kakayahang meron ako. Na may pakita sa kanila na kaya ko. At kung makakayanin ko at makakamit ko yung pangarap ko, kaya din nila. Yun pa.
Okay. Thank you, May. Ang susunod na magtatanong ay hinawakan din ni Direk Ronnie Quintos. Wala lang, hinawakan lang. Alan sa ko.
Saan hinawakan? Talking about Direk Rory, parang narinig namin na fan ni Direk Rory si Edward dahil sa acting mo daw. So, do you think you'll be the next dramatic actor? Ano comment mo ba?
Like it's always been one of the things I wanted to do. If that were to happen, amazing. I can die in peace if that happens. I'm trying to sorry. Although it was really fun and I enjoyed every part of it, one of the last pieces of advice that Direk Rory gave all of the housemates, there were 3 parts. There was always keep your feet on the ground. If I was to become the biggest, I don't know, what's the next dramatic actor?
Yes.
I wouldn't want to consider myself that. I'd like to stay just actor line. I don't want to get hyped up. What I achieve, I want to achieve. That's simple as that. I want to be happy doing it. If I am, dream come true. And I will work my way there.
So to pieces, tanungin ko lang. Kasi parang, di ba, parang nagsimula ka rin sa mga beauty pageant. Marami nagsasabi that pwede daw that you wanna join mga beauty contests like mga Bilibili. Are you going to push through with that career or focus ka sa acting?
I would like to pursue that when I finish my school. So not anytime soon, but soon. Alabo. I mean, when I finish my school, I would like, kasi of course you're gonna represent Philippines, so gusto ko nakaaral talaga ako at saka pwede talaga akong may confident ako na i-represent yung Philippines. So I would like to study first bago ko po i-pursue yun. Pero for now, I would focus on acting kasi it's the one thing that's given to me na blessing. So I will seize all the opportunities I get, and then maybe someday, I will join Pilipinas.
Wow! Sige, follow up lang sa'yo. Kung sasagutin mo yung tinanong kay Maxine Medina na kung ano yung nangyari 10 years, most significant change happened, di ba? In the last 10 years. Ano yun? How do you answer that question?
What is the most significant
change that happened in the world
7
in the
months na
last
lang
10
muna
years?
at this PBB.
Well, for me, the most significant change that happened for the last 10 years, yun ay yung binago yung pamamalakad ng government, which is yung democracy. Kasi for me, that's the best thing. Kasi napaka-importante ng democracy for me. And I would like na mapatuloy yun hanggang ngayon, na free yung mga tao na